Alright, so Jay-Z and Beyonce are officially in Jamaica. Yes, it's true. People been calling me and asking me, SouFLo, is it real? Jay-Z and Beyonce in Jamaica for real? Yes, they are. Now, a lot of people are going to be saying thank you to Jay-Z and Beyonce after this. A lot of people, especially in Jamaica. You know why? Because Jamaica has the state of emergency stuff going on right now, right? And it's okay to come to Jamaica when you got a bunch of money and go lock up somewhere and be safe. But to be riding on a motorcycle through some of the most volatile places in Jamaica, it says a lot, right? Jay-Z and Beyonce riding through Trenchtown and Kingston City. What state of emergency? Right now, it's a good look for Jamaica, right? Beyonce's net worth is 272 million pounds for my British people. Over 350 million US dollars that is. Jay-Z's net worth is 630 million pounds, over 810 million US dollars that is. Check it. They're the billionaire couple. Together they're worth a little over 1.16 billion, yes, billion US dollars. So to be out here at a time right now when there are a lot of people, even Jamaicans, are saying, me not go to Jamaica right now, cause things don't look too good down there. Now I know a lot of people are going to say they have a lot of money, they can afford to protect themselves. Yeah, that's true too, but when gunshots flying, no matter how good your bodyguard is, it could fly through him too. Although I see the big thick 7-foot security guard and he don't look like he playing no games. He on his P's and Q's, and rightfully so. So it's a good look. Right now it's a good look. For a lot of you who don't know, this is not the first time matter of fact, Jay-Z just left Jamaica. Jay-Z just did some joint recording stuff at Bob Marley's studio. Came through with Damien Jr. Gang Marley. He spoke quite highly of Jamaica. And one of his idols, matter of fact, he said, is Bob Marley. So he thinks that Trenchtown is a special place. It's a spiritual place. It's a place where the legend spirit actually lives, speaking of Bob Marley. And he said he would be back again. Didn't know he would be back this soon. And didn't know he would bring the Queen with him. But here they are. It's a big deal to see them actually riding through the streets. And I've seen other videos of them riding through the streets and the people are running behind them and they're waving and shouting. And cameras out, everybody is taking pictures and videos, and it's a festive affair, right? Now, they just announced their new tour, On the Run 2 tour. And let me tell you, this tour right here that's coming up is huge. It has so far over 55, almost 60 dates. And it's all big venues. We're talking about stadium. So I think that 1.16 billion US dollars is probably about to be 2 billion by the time they're done with that tour. A couple that knows how to stay together and make money together. Who can hate on that? Jamaica should be loving this right now. So days after announcing their On the Run 2 tour, Beyonce and Jay-Z hit the streets of Kingston, Jamaica on Tuesday. But it doesn't appear as if the jet-setting twosome are on vacation. It's all about making music. So it's a business trip of sorts, right? And like I said before, big up to Jay-Z for coming in at a time like this. Photographers spotted the couple being filmed while they rode on the back of a motorcycle through Trenchtown area of Kingston, which just so happens to be the icon Bob Marley's stomping grounds. The superstars are apparently in the Caribbean island nation to shoot content for their upcoming joint venture. So check it. You can see Beyonce out there blowing kisses and waving to her fans in Jamaica. It's a big deal. It's a good look, right? For her day of filming, don't ask me where I get this information from. For her day of filming, they're saying that Beyonce wore an embroidered nylon jacket by Gucci, which cost a whopping 5,800 US dollars, with pink ankle boots and a blue dazzled, I would say bedazzled fishnet tights. Jay-Z is outfitted in a tracksuit by Puma as well as shoes by Puma. The Jamaica Observer reports that the two are accompanied by their 3 children, so even the children are there on the island. I guess this is not only business, but it's probably a bit of pleasure as well, because they brought the children along with them and the nanny. So all the children, 3 children and the nanny are there, and will be spending time at a private residence during their stay on the island. The outlet also reported that the pair will be filming videos and songs while in Jamaica. So we can look forward to their upcoming videos, and you know, us Jamaicans, we're going to be like, yo, me know which part of place they're there. Yo, me know which part of place they're there. Because I'm sure they're going to be filming more than one video. They'll probably be maximizing the opportunity right now. I'm telling you, they have a hectic tour coming up. The name of the tour, again, is the On the Run 2 tour, which they just announced a week ago. So after initially announcing some tour dates last week, the pair have added several more shows in Seattle, Amsterdam, Los Angeles, and many more cities to their itinerary. The upcoming tour kicks off this summer at in Cardiff, Wales, and goes through the beginning of October. I don't know how they're going to be doing all them dates in such small period of time, but get that money, man. That's what they do, right? It's funny enough, today's morning thoughts on SouFLoTV was, is Jamaica safe? Because somebody asked me, SouFLo, is Jamaica safe? In the comment section, I just took it and turned it into me answering the question from my angle, right? So now to see Jay-Z and Beyonce out there in the streets, riding around on motorcycles, waving to the people, of course, like I said before in the beginning, people are going to say they are very well protected and they can afford to be protected like that, and their life is not the same as the people that are. But at the end of the day, it's a good look for Jamaica. It shows that people live here. You know what I say? Natural life goes on here still. It ain't all gunshot a fly and everybody ducking, running, and dying. So it's a very good look, and I like it. I like it. I like it. Check it, man. It's SouFLoTV. Leave your comment in the comment section below and let me hear what you have to say about this one, especially my Jamaican audience. You think it's a good look? You like how them operate, don't it? I'm out. Peace.